I started this business 8 years ago after leaving Porsche dealership as a technician. No intention of being a specialist, but then I somehow, I don't know how it happened, but all I end up doing now is Porsches. Servicing all makes and models, apart from the air-cooled. We don't tend to do much of the air-cooled stuff. We tend to do a lot of suspension work, brakes, brake pipes. We do loads and loads of brake pipes. We do some engine rebuilds, but only on the water-cooled, the M96 and M97 engines. Yeah, we've got one 996 that's got ball wear, and we've just had all the parts delivered now, so that's going to be built back up in the next couple of weeks and then thrown back into the car. That came in for Cabaret roof repair. The customer was away in France and he put his roof down one morning, spent the day driving. At night he parked up and then tried to put the roof up and it wouldn't go back up, and one of the cables had snapped, so he had to put a new drive unit in. Yeah, Cayennes, Macans, Panamera, 3 litre diesel for instance, which is probably the most common engine at the moment in those models. If anyone ever asks me, I'd say check for coolant leaks under the inlet manifold, because the oil cooler's seals leak. Transfer box is a common one. They suffer with oil leaks from the upper sump, but I think they all do, and a lot of people will just suffer with it because they don't see a drip on the floor, so they're not too bothered. But those are the 3 main things I would say look for. If it's got sunroof, check the sunroofs. The drains aren't blocked in the sunroof. And other than that, just the normal wear and tear, like brakes and tyres. They like to go through brakes and tyres quite a bit. They're a hell of a lot of car for the money, yeah. They are. They really are. I've had 2 now, and I don't think I could get in anything else. Yeah, 6 call packs. Customer phoned up, she was in Nottingham, and then one morning she got in a car to come home and it was misfiring, so she had to get it recovered back here, and we just put 6 call. They were all cracked, all the call packs were cracked, so we had 6 call packs off Design on 11. Put them in. She's having it back tomorrow, I think. Yeah, and then the other one's having some suspension work, getting back inner tie rods and track rod ends, and then wheel alignment then. 3 years we've been using it full on. Yeah. It's always here before 12 the next day. It's at the right price, and I've never had an issue. And if there are any warranty claims, which I've had a couple of issues, no quibble, it's always sorted, no problems at all. So yeah, I've had a great relationship with Design on 11. My wife does all the ordering of the parts, she speaks to Daryl a lot. Future plans for PMR? I think next year we'll concentrate on getting another technician in. I like it here. Unless I found something that ticks a lot of boxes, I think I'd rather just stay here, because I think I've got enough space. Parking's not an issue. Workshop's a decent size. Josh has only been with me now for 10 months. He started in January of this year, and can't fault him. Really good lad. He never worked on Porsche before, but picked it up really well. He gets stuck in now and he loves it. Yeah, so my vision was to offer the best service I could that you'd almost expect at a dealership. So what we have is a small family business where, as I say, my wife works in the office, my daughter's in the office as well. And I think the kind of service we offer is quite good because we do have some very good reviews. We get a lot of praise. We're a small business of four members of staff, offering what I consider to be quite a good personal service, a close relationship with all of our customers. They all seem to find it easy to deal with us and praise us on our work. The way the business is now, I don't want it to get much bigger because I feel that if I did get too big, I'd lose touch with the customers on a more personal level. So I think the way we have it now is quite good. I'm excited to see what the next 2 or 3 years brings, see where it goes. So if customers haven't used us before, anybody with a Porsche hasn't used us before, check us out on our website or social media. By all means, you're welcome to pop down for a coffee, have a chat.